I started about 15 months ago, new to the industry. They brought me in. I told them, I have a willing to learn new things, great work ethic, no experience needed. That was a great thing. They brought me in. They got me trained up, certified to go work out in the refineries for the turnaround and shutdowns everywhere. And I was able to obtain my CDL. I'm also currently enrolled in their welding classes, using a telehandler to move pipe and anything we got to move, training for that. After starting and moving up in the company, I started as a laborer. Then I moved up to a B mechanic, and with every time you move up, the wages go up. And with that, my wife and I've been working. This is the most money I made with Manhattan. So what helped to change my life is now, since I have a good job, good money, good paying job, my wife and I are able to start trying for a family, which is amazing for us because we've been talking about having children for the past 5 years. I've been stuck at low paying jobs, and Manhattan Mechanical, gave us that opportunity to start trying for a child, and very, very happy and appreciated. They took me in with no experience and trained me up to what I am today. And so people are always, they greet you, say hello. What I enjoy most is, coming to work every day. There's something different every day that I do. My welding teacher, and then even the other teachers I've worked with, awesome to learn by, and it makes the classes, it's not a lot of pressure.